So if you look over my screen now, you can see that there is a payment proof of 0.003031 BNB paid to me instantly and successfully. And if you go down more, you can see the another payment of 0.007429 BNB paid to me instantly. So aside that, if you go over to my deposit section, you will see that generally I didn't deposit any single thing on this website. That means that this website is completely free for me. I receive all this payment from this website completely free of charge, without any form of deposit, any form of investment of any kind. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to earn so much on this website. I normally use this website on my free time, as in I don't normally have free time, but whenever I have a free time, I normally use this website just to earn more. You know, it's all about earning and losing. So I normally use this website to earn more on this website. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys every details about earning on this website. So what you're gonna do for me now is to click on the like button. Hey, smash that like button, click on it. If you want to break it down, I need you to click the like button, and then subscribe to my channel, hit the like subscribe button and smash that bell icon. Why I'm telling you to do this is, first of all, if you like my video, thank you, you are contributing to me. You're just giving the YouTube algorithm that this video is not a scam video, that this video is a real video and there is a payment proof and everything is 100% true in this video. Secondly, subscribing to my channel is also following me on YouTube. It's very simple and it's very free. Just subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed to my channel before, subscribe to my channel. Then the bell icon that I said that you should turn on is just to make you to notify you whenever I post any video. That one is work for YouTube. YouTube will just give you notification that ZBK Crypto, that is Zubi King, have uploaded a new video just like this, and that is the last you have to do. So finally, sit down, watch this video attentively. I will try as much as I can to make the video short so that everyone can not waste time and jump inside the website now. So without saying much, let's jump inside the video right now. So the name of the website we are gonna use today is CoinPayU. I know most of you, my viewers, my current subscribers, or some of you guys must have come across CoinPayU, and majority was not successful on it. Majority didn't catch out on CoinPayU. That's because you didn't get the right information of catching out on CoinPayU. So in this video today, I'm gonna show you guys how to earn and what to do to earn more, or even earn more than $50 on this CoinPayU, even in a week or in a day, depend on your own hard work and everything. But bear in mind that with my strategies in this video, you're not gonna deposit any single dime on this video. So once you come here, do your own research though. MTN turn on fire, you guys. Do your own research though. Remember, this is not a financial advice, but hey, this thing worked for me, so I strongly believe that it's gonna work for you also. As you can see, the project advertised within our platform, Binance, KuCoin, every exchange that you know also advertise on this platform. So what are you gonna do after you have done your own research on the video, on the website? Just click on this phrase now that says join free. So if you click on join free, it's gonna take you over to where you are gonna register. Use your username, the username of your choice. I normally use Zubi King. Email password, repeat password, and click on agree terms. Then use Google Captcha to make sure that you are not a robot. Then click on register. So when you're done clicking on register, it's gonna register you. Maybe it's gonna send you an email to verify that you are the owner of the account. So after all said and done and registering, next thing you have to do is to click on this where I say login. So it's gonna take you over to where you're gonna log in your details. So click on this where I say login. It's gonna take you over to where you're gonna log in. So this is where you're gonna log in, input your email address and input your password. So let me add my details and come back to the video. So after adding your details, your login details, your password and your email address, it's gonna bring you over to your dashboard. So for those of you that are new to the platform, it's gonna show your main balance is gonna be 0.0 nothing Satoshi. So what are the first way of earning on this website? For me not to waste your time, first of all, click on this place that says view ad. So this is a view ad this thing, ad surfing website, earn money by viewing ads. So click on this place that says surf ad. Immediately use all the ads. It's gonna take you over where surfing ad. There are bunch of ads here. So this one is gonna give you 10.4 satoshis for staying on the website for 60 seconds. 60 seconds is close to is a minute. Yeah, so once you stay here in a minute, it's gonna give you 10.4 satoshi. This one is also the same thing, and this one is the same. So let me look for the one that have a lower time, 10 seconds. Okay, this one, let's go over to this place now. This one is 10 seconds. So let me use the 10 seconds one to show you guys how the thing works. So if you click on this place now that says this place, it's gonna take you over to the site where you're gonna stay 10 seconds. So let me use Brave that I'm using. It's gonna take you to the site where I'm gonna stay 10 seconds. So you have to count the seconds by yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll give it another one. 12, 13, 14, 15. That just to make sure that you stay there for 10 seconds. So click on this way that say go back. You close the advertisement so soon. So you can see the advertisement was closed so soon. So let's go back again to stay that place for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So let's go back again to know if they have. As you can see, I have earned 1.9 satoshi worth of whatever cryptocurrency you want to use. Me, I love BNB. So that's the same thing you're gonna do on all these videos. There are a bunch of advert for you to watch here and earn as much as satoshi as you want. So once you are done here, click on this place that say window ads. Also just do the same thing you did on the previous ad. So this one is gonna take you 10 seconds to earn all the satoshi. So this is the satoshis you are gonna earn on this website. So once they are done with it, you must have reached a very good amount of satoshi, and this is the first way of earning on this website. So after you must have done view all this ad, soft ad, window ad, article ad, and video ad. So after you must have done it, the next way of earning on this website is this place that is called faucet. So in this faucet is very simple, and pay attention on what I'm about to say now. In this faucet, you claim any type of cryptocurrency. A lot of cryptocurrencies in this particular section, which is called faucet. Every 60 minutes you come here to claim many types of cryptocurrency. So what you're gonna do is to let's use which one will we use now? Okay, let's try use Bitcoin. Okay, I've used this BNB today, trying it out today. So okay, let's try let's just use any of them. Let's try Ethereum or Litecoin. Let's use Litecoin. So if you click on this claim now, it's gonna take you to the claim dashboard section where you're gonna follow the procedure to claim it. So just watch it carefully. Click on this place that says claim now. So if you click on claim now, it's gonna take you to another dashboard where it's gonna give you a 10 seconds countdown. So after the 10 seconds countdown, you're gonna see the claim section. Click here to see captcha. So click here to make sure that you're a human being. So it's in a H captcha. So click on this way. So sometimes it brings out the captcha, sometimes it doesn't bring out captcha. So just give it some time. It's gonna solve the captcha for you. So in case he chose the captcha, just solve it. I have to pause the video to claim the captcha and let me know what's you guys time. So once you are done doing it, sometimes the captcha didn't come. So click on this place that say claim now, and instantly it's gonna load up a bit and give you that you have won 0.00017 satoshi of Litecoin. So you are gonna claim this Litecoin in another 60 minutes coming. So while waiting for the 60 minutes, next thing you have to do is to claim all the free the faucet claim all the faucets in this place. Make sure you claim it every 16 minutes. Just claim it. As you can see, there are a lot of faucets to claim here. So this is the last one is this zero faucet. Just claim it. So the next thing you have to do is to, after claiming it, click on this place that says swap. This swap now. Click on this place that says swap. If you click on it, it's gonna take you to another dashboard where you're gonna select the coin that you want to swap. So click on this place that says, okay, it's already selected the coin that you want to swap for you. So click on this place that says Bitcoin. So it depends on the crypto that you are interested in this particular website. So you can swap it to BNB, you can swap it to any cryptocurrency. So what you normally do is to claim all of them at once, claim all of them in every 16 minutes. So when you are done claiming it, just go and swap it. So once you are done swapping it, your BNB amount will rise also, or it depends on the amount, the particular crypto that you want to swap it to. So this is another way of earning on this website. So the last but not the least, not the last, but in fact this is the best way of earning on this website. This is the place they called offer. You got to know how to complete offers and surveys and everything. So this is where you earn the most of it in this particular platform. Although I've not tried offer because I don't know how to solve captcha. But if you can solve captcha, I mean, if you can do offers, you can do surveys and everything. If you cannot do survey and you have time, you have enough time, just go and do research on how to do survey. This is where you can earn more than a very good Satoshi in this particular website. So if you click on it now and open it, they're gonna show you the amount of Satoshis you're gonna earn per this thing, each survey that you normally. As you can see, this one is gonna pay you 4,000 or 3,000, depending on how long you are gonna do your own survey, and with other many platform and many survey platform on the website. So there are lots of survey platform that you're gonna do. You can, even if you have enough time, just do more surveys, and you are gonna earn a lot from. I promise you're gonna earn a lot, because some surveys even pay 4,000 Satoshi, just, or even 7,000, depending on how best you are in survey. So the last and also not the least of earning on this website is this place that they call affiliates. So this is where you copy out your referral link. This is my referral link. Copy out your referral link, share it to your friends, so that whenever they want to, if they are interested, they can use your referral link, and you're gonna be earning some percentage of whatever they're earning on the website. So this is very, very free, and you can even copy out your banner, HTML, BB code, for those of you that normally place advert on any other place, and everybody that use your banner or link or whatever to sign up and start earning on this website. There is I think 20 to 30% of whatever the person is earning, you are gonna earn the 20% of it. So I think this is the end of this video, guys. And lastly, for the last part, which is the withdrawal limit. The minimum withdrawal is 1,000 Satoshis. As you can see, I have more than 1,000 Satoshis, but I don't want to withdraw on this website. I don't want to withdraw right now. As you can see, in Bitcoin, minimum withdrawal in Bitcoin is 11,000 Satoshi, but for the purpose of this video, BNB minimum withdrawal is just 1,000. Okay, minimum of 2,000. They have upgraded to minimum of 2,000. So I still need some Satoshis to earn on this platform. By the time I complete those adverts and try some surveys, if I have the time, I will definitely reach minimum of 2,000. But I'm targeting something like 10,000 Satoshis before I withdraw from it. So that's how I'm gonna do my own withdrawal. So this end of this video, or should I also show you guys how to add your your wallet address in case you want to. So if you want to add a wallet address, just go over to your own dashboard and click on this place now and fill in if in case you want to withdraw in Bitcoin, this is Bitcoin. Fill in the Bitcoin account or address, your Bitcoin address here. Just go to any wallet of your choice, Binance, Trust Wallet, any of it of your, they don't choose wallet. So any wallet of your choice, they're gonna send it for you. So if you wanna change it, you can take Faucet Pay, can take Litecoin, Tron, TRS, BNB. This is BNB here. So this is my wallet address on BNB. So this is how to add your wallet. So once you are done imputing it, click on next and it will take you to the next section and you save your wallet. So after it, when you reach minimum withdrawal, just go and withdraw. So if you think that you got value from this video, kindly don't forget to hit the like button of this video and turn on notification, and subscribe to the channel while you turn on notification, and wait for my next updates. And see you guys on my next video. Bye.